Hello everyone. Electric scooter versus electric skateboard. Which is right for you? That's the question I'm going to answer today. For that, I'm going to review the Xiaomi Scooter 3 and the Possway T3. They are currently selling those at the same price. First, let's do a quick unboxing for each of them. I begin with the Possway T3. Let's open the box. Alright, it's heavy compared to a regular skateboard. The deck, the cloud wheel, the battery. In the box, you have the charger, the remote, the tools for the trucks and the screws. Let's start it and try to go at maximum speed. Whoa, 48 km/h. That's fast on an electric skateboard. Don't fall at this speed. Next, the Xiaomi Scooter 3. It's not really heavy for an electric scooter. In the box, you have the charger and a tool to screw the handlebars. You have different modes: pedestrian mode, G for standard mode, and S the sport mode. I basically only use the sport mode. I did some modifications for each of them. For the E-Skateboard, I put the Waterborne adapter at the front and rear trucks. The feeling is amazing. Now I carve like a beast and it adds maneuverability. Less speed wobble and so much fun. For me, it's a mandatory upgrade. For the e-scooter, I added a front shock absorber. I think it's an indispensable. The feeling is way better and you get rid of a lot of vibration. I changed all the tires to solid tires to get rid of flat tires, and I 3D printed this hook to carry a bag. Now let's ride. I will begin with the electric scooter. You just have to kick off from the ground and press the accelerator. It's very simple and cool. It's safe like a bike and you can stand up. With the modification that I've done, the e-scooter is good for off-roading. It's a good feeling because you are standing up. The shock absorber can handle crazy vibrations and the solid tires can't be flat. The e-scooter has mud guards, very useful to off-road. Now the electric skateboard. You just have to roll the front wheel forward on the remote and you go. It's way more fun than an e-scooter, but it's way more risky. It gives me the highest feeling of freedom. Sometimes it's like I'm flying. With the modifications of the trucks, with the Waterborne Surf Adapter, I carve like never before. Pro of the electric skateboard. It's lighter weight, cooler, and more enjoyable than an electric scooter. It takes less space in the trunk of your car compared to an e-scooter. However, the cons are: it doesn't have suspension, so you feel everything on the road. With most, you can do off-roading, even with the cloud wheels. It's far riskier, dangerous, and the learning curve is longer compared to an e-scooter. It's not good when it's raining. Pro of the e-scooter. It's safer than an e-skate. It's so easy to get on and off. It can handle small rocks or potholes. You can look it up. It's easier to stop abruptly compared to an e-skate. However, the cons are: it is not as cool and not as fun compared to an e-skate. It's heavier and takes more space in the trunk of your car. Now the race between these two. 300 meters with a U-turn on a rough, cracked road. "48 seconds for the e-skate. I didn't reach the maximum speed." "50 seconds for the e-scooter, and I did reach the max speed." So I can say that on this short distance, there is no noticeable difference between these two. The E-Skate is faster, but the E-Scooter provides more stability. So, which is right for you? Ultimately, it depends on what you are looking for. If you want a bit of thrill-seeking, adrenaline, and so much fun, the electric skateboard is the way to go. If you want more safety, versatility, maneuverability, and be more cautious, the electric scooter is a good option. Both give the feeling of freedom. I will use the e-scooter for work days to go to the job, by example, and the electric skateboard for the weekend to get my adrenaline dose, to get some fun. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you soon. Peace.